Want smaller videos on Mac? In 60 seconds I'll show 4 fast methods. Start in Finder, locate the video and check its current file size. Open with QuickTime and trim away unused footage to shave megabytes. Use Export as to lower resolution to 1080p or 720p and save. If available, choose a lower quality option to reduce bitrate with minimal loss. QuickTime is great for trims and quick exports, but for stronger compression use Apps Next. For deeper compression use Handbrake with H.264 and a constant quality RF around 20 as a baseline. Select a fast preset, set target bitrate or RF, and enable fast encode for quicker results. Preview a short clip to confirm quality before processing the whole file. Apple Compressor gives HEVC options for better size to quality ratios on modern Macs. Choose HEVC, lower resolution or frame rate, then batch export to save time on many files. Compare before and after sizes, keep originals, and favor HEVC or lower resolution for best savings.